In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new space in Wrike. We'll walk through this process from inside your Wrike workspace, so go ahead and log in if you haven't already. To start, navigate to your inbox. This is usually where Wrike lands you by default, or you can select Inbox from the main navigation on the left. Beginning from the inbox just gives us a consistent starting point and makes it easy to find the menus we need. Once you're in your inbox, look towards the top left area of the screen where your spaces are listed. You'll see a small area or button that lets you manage or switch between your spaces. Click on the highlighted control there. This opens up the panel where you can see and manage all the spaces you have access to. In that panel, find and click on the option labeled All My Spaces. This view shows every space that belongs to you or that you can access, and it's also where Wrike gives you the option to create something new. Using All My Spaces keeps everything organized in one place, so you're not guessing where to go when you want to add a new space. Now, in the All My Spaces area, look again for a highlighted button or link that indicates creating a new space. This is typically something like Create Space or a plus icon associated with spaces. Click that highlighted option. Instead of dropping you into a completely blank setup, Wrike will offer you different ways to get started. On the next screen, choose the option that says, Get a quicker start on your work structure with a pre-built template. Clicking this takes you to Wrike's Solutions or Template Gallery. Using a template is a great way to save time because it comes with folders, tasks, and workflows already tailored to common use cases. From the gallery, scroll or browse until you find the Campaign Management template, then click on it. This template is designed for managing marketing or communication campaigns, but you can also adapt it for any project work that follows similar stages. After selecting Campaign Management, click on the Use Template button. Wrike will prompt you to confirm, and then it will generate a new space based on that template, complete with example folders and tasks you can customize. Once the new space is created, look for the highlighted section in the workspace to open and view it. Click that highlight, and you'll be taken directly into your newly created space, ready for you to rename items, adjust workflows, and start adding your own tasks and projects.